It's been a real blast, David. I bid you good evening.
Wait. Where are you going?
My bike, it's back over there. We'll hang soon. And bring your mask if you want. I'm getting used to it.
Wait a minute.
What?
I don't know.
Look, you drank a little too much. Call me tomorrow if you want.
Because tomorrow I'll wish I was dead.
No, you won't. You just need to sleep.
Hey.
What?
What did you say to Julie Gianni the night of the accident?
What?
You told her she was a fuck buddy.
Never.
She was a little more than pissed about it.
Have you been harboring this shit all along? I never talked to her.
Well, anyway, who am I if I can't be the one to tell you you're not ugly? Come on. Give me a courtesy laugh. Oh, Brian, I'm so fucked up. I'm just so fucked up. Hey, Brian. We're best friends. We're bros. Come on, man, we're bros.
Ready into bed.